What's going on, everyone? And in today's video I attempt the pistol only challenge in Siege Ranked. The rules for this challenge are: my only kills can be done through pistol, I can't use an AR, shotguns are allowed for breaching, and that is it. So watch my journey. This was not fun. Let's get straight into the video.
Surprise, motherfucker!
That was fucking scary. Which means I can put these back on now, though. I saw that. I saw it. I was getting out my gun to do the nomad thing. Fuck, bro. She like penetrate my shield. Oh fuck, I got one kill that whole game. Outback might be possible. Not, oh fuck me. Me, my mirror, my soul, my shield. Imagine me in the Spell at Siege. I'm doing pistol only. Get out. Real.
And my first kill.
Not cool. Fuck. Valk's low.
Bakery low, bakery low.
Oh! Nice. That was the luckiest shot I've ever hit in my life. I really want Oregon. I feel like Oregon I could get some pistol kills. Because I just go Monty. I was trying to shoot the Claymore. I'm so surprised that worked. Oh shit. GG's guys, GG's. We might cook.
Flashback.
I really want Oregon. I feel like Oregon I could get some pistol kills. Could I just go Monty? Fuck. I feel like I have to go Monty. Because they're going basement now, so I generally have to go Monty. Fuck. Bandits upstairs. No, bro. I was trying to exit it. 3 kills, not bad. I think I'm on like 6, 7 total. I think I knocked him, I don't know. No, but I just traded with him, and he has diffuser. Hey Google. Shit. Oh shit, we won. Nice. guys, so because you've just seen me get an AR kill and that is strictly against the rules of the pistol only challenge, I've decided to do one punishment from the comments down below. No! I didn't mean to do that. What do I do now? No. Okay, no. Nice. Nice.
Surprise, motherfucker.
No reaction.
It's nothing to me.
Nice try. Oh, fuck off, bro. I can't do anything about Blackbeard. Come on, please. Do not sell. We're cooked. This would have been the game. 11 and 8. One of those kills being illegal. So I went 10 and 8. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Put down in the comment section below what challenge you want to see me attempt next.